टॉपिक है आपका, आपको टेलीविजन पे, यू हैव टू स्पीक अपॉन टेलीविजन। ठीक है ना? जैसा आपको आता है वैसे आप बोलें। और जब कोई एक जना बोल रहा हो तो बाकी के लोग उसको सुने। अपनी उधेड़ बुन में नहीं लगे रहे कि साहब मैं अपना सोच लेते हूँ जब तक मेरा नंबर नहीं आए। ये आप गलती करोगे। अगर आप दूसरों को सुनोगे ना, इफ यू लिसन टू अदर्स डेफिनेटली यू विल इंप्रूव योर स्पीकिंग, देयर इज नो डाउट। समझ में आ गई बात आपको? तो चलिए शुरू कर रहे हैं हम अब। फटाफट से नाम डाल देना आपने। करीना।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Karina Nanwani. Today I am telling about the television. Television gives us so many entertainment.
आपकी आवाज
Television
क्लियर
is
नहीं
a
है करीना, थोड़ा सा क्लियर बोलो आप, और अपना माइक पास में ले लो आप।
yes, sir.
हाँ, अब आई ना आवाज आपकी?
Science gives us a television for the entertainment. Television gives us too much entertainment.
हाँ,
Television is a great source of enjoyment with family and friends. We can see movies and news in it.
हम्म,
We can enjoy a cricket match, football match, and many matches.
हम्म,
TV is now very popular because many of the people see television. It almost found in every home and house. There are many channels. Some are only for news channels, some are only for sports, some are only for reality channels, and some are for children.
हम्म।
Television has also a channel for students like Disney Channel and all. There are so many programs are in Hindi, English, and regional
आपका
languages.
ऑडियो क्वालिटी अच्छी नहीं है आपकी।
TV is a great gift of modern science. That's all.
चलिए ठीक है, और थोड़ा सा लेंथ बढ़ाओ बोलने की अपनी, है ना?
नेटवर्क नहीं है यहाँ
हाँ,
पे।
नेटवर्क का आपका इश्यू रहता है बेटा, हमेशा इसको ठीक करो आप, है ना? थोड़ा सा खुले में बैठ जाया करो आप। यस, गति।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Gati, and I am the student of Ramban English Online Interactive Classes B1. Today's our topic is about television. Television is a electronic device, and it is also the mean of entertainment.
मीन्स होता है, मीन्स, मीन नहीं
It is
होता है।
the yes, it is also the means of entertainment. We can we can enjoy from it, and it is useful for everyone. For ladies, there are many programs on it. They can refresh themselves, and there are many cooking programs also on it.
वेरी गुड, वेरी
For
गुड।
for small childrens, there are many cartoon channels on TV, and they can also see poems, and for their study material on TV. And we can improve ourselves, we can increase our knowledge from it, because there are many news channels on TV, which is in all types, in all languages. And if we want to improve our English, we can listen English news on it, so it is very useful for us. There are many discovery, there are many channels which
विच
improves our, which improves ourselves, and which increase our knowledge, like Discovery Channel, which is very useful, and which is good very good channel. And it is a there are many sports news also, and there are many sports channels by which we can increase our sports knowledge, and entertain ourselves by sports. And there are many there are many international, we can know about international
अफेयर्स,
international
अफेयर्स।
affairs, international affairs, international news. And we can know about all about the news of all over India and all over the world, sitting on one place, which is very useful and very comfort for us. And this but it is also it has also bad effects, because there are many bad things on it, which is not good for children and which is not good for anyone.
Hmm.
This is good, but in present time, children see the TV all time, by which their eyesight weaks, their
बिकम
eyesight
बिकम
weaken,
वीकन कर दो, ठीक है.
their eyesight weaken. So it is not good. TV should be TV should be watched in a limited in a limit.
Hmm.
So this and there are many music channels also on TV, modern music channels and melody music channels, both are available on TV. So TV is a means of entertainment, and it is a good thing for everyone. That's it.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा बोला, बहुत अच्छा. फ्लो भी अच्छा था, कंटेंट्स अच्छे थे, ग्रामेटिकली आपने अच्छा बोला. वेरी गुड. बस कॉन्फिडेंस रखा करो थोड़ा सा, समझ रहे हैं ना. फ्लो आ जाएगा अपने आप, धीरे धीरे प्रैक्टिस करते रहिए आप लोग. यस तमन्ना.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, I'm Tamanna Meena. Today I'm going to tell you about television. As we all know, science has given many things. Television is one of them. It is very helpful for everyone. It is a source of entertainment. It gives us latest news of world. It is like a window which reflects that what is happening in the
शाबाश,
world.
बहुत अच्छा. हाँ.
There are many news channels in it.
Hmm.
It has many entertainment programs for ladies. It has audio and video, so we can enjoy it.
Hmm.
It it by its English programs, we can improve our listening capacity.
शाबाश. Hmm.
It is very useful for everyone.
Hmm.
Although it has disadvantages, because if we watch TV, our eyesights may become weak.
Hmm.
It has many such a programs that we cannot watch with our family members.
Hmm.
I have a suggestion that we should watch TV in limit time.
Hmm.
That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा. वेरी गुड. कोई प्रिपरेशन थोड़ी थी पहले?
No, sir.
नहीं ना. बस ठीक है, ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. बाकी तो अपने जितनी प्रैक्टिस में है उतना ही है. यस, कम ऑन सिमरन.
Hello everyone, my name is Simran. I am from Ramban Interactive Classes. Today I talk about television. Television is very necessary thing in our life. Television is a main source of entertainment, and television is
थोड़ा जोर से बोलो, माइक को पास में रखो, माइक को पास में रखो और हिलो मत. हाँ हाँ.
television is a most important invention of technology. And there are many cartoon channels. The children watch them and get fun. Some channels are serial channels. Women watch them and get enjoy.
Get joy. बोलो.
There are many news channels which is very important for us,
Which
for
are?
our knowledge.
बोलो, कोई बात नहीं, बोलो.
There are many discovery channels
शाबाश.
which is develop our general knowledge. And on TV we watch many types of movies and get enjoy with our family.
Get joy बेटा, enjoy तो खुद वर्ब होती है. Get मत लगाओ फिर आप, and enjoy with our family. हाँ बोलो.
And but television has many side effects. Children watch TV.
हाँ चिल्ड्रंस नहीं, ऐसा मत लगाया करो चिल्ड्रन में. हाँ.
Children watch TV out of limit, and his eyesight was
Their
weak.
eyesights. थोड़ा सा ध्यान
Their
से.
eyesight are weak,
Become weak. हाँ.
and some movies are not good for children.
हाँ शाबाश, ऐसे ध्यान रखा करो बस. हाँ.
But television is a good thing. That's it.
ओके बेटा, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश है, बस करते रहो आप, है ना. बिना प्रिपरेशन के हम बोल रहे हैं, बिना याद करे हम बोल रहे हैं, तो नॉलेज होनी चाहिए हमारे पास में, हो जाएगा धीरे धीरे फ्लो आ जाएगा. ओके. यस दिव्यांशी.
Hello friends, my name is Divyanshi and I am telling about television. Television is an important thing for us. We can watch many programs and reality shows with our friends and family. We can watch songs, movies, serials, cartoons, news, and historical challenge and discovery challenge. By it, we can improve our knowledge. By news, we can improve our knowledge, and women can enjoy their time by it. Television has many disadvantages. Children watch TV. By it, their eyes become weak. They become lazy and weak.
Very good.
Many persons waste their time by watching TV.
शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा. हाँ.
By it, they cannot do their work. And they become lazy day by day. So TV should not be watched.
Very good. बहुत अच्छा पैसे वॉइस बना रहे हो. हाँ.
Many time this is harmful for us. And that's it.
वेरी गुड. बहुत अच्छी कोशिश कर रहे हो बेटा, ग्रामेटिकली बहुत अच्छा आप यूज कर रहे हो, कंटेंट्स भी अच्छे हैं, बस कोशिश करते रहो, है ना. वेरी गुड. थोड़ा सा सुनने की आदत भी डालो, टेलीविजन पे कोई न्यूज प्रोग्राम्स वगैरह आते हैं उनको सुना करो. सभी लोगों से कह रहा हूँ मैं ये बात. यस कम ऑन खुशबू.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. My name is Khushbu Peswani and I am the student of Rambad Online Interactive Classes from batch first. As we all know that today's our topic is about television.
About नहीं, about क्यों बोल रहे हो? Today's our topic is television. About की कहाँ जरूरत है इसमें?
Okay, sir. Today's our topic is television and we all know about television. Science has provided us many useful things which is
थोड़ा वर्ब फॉर्म का ध्यान रखो. लास्ट टाइम भी मैंने आपको बोला था.
yes.
थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखोगे तो और बहुत अच्छा होने लग जाएगा. यस.
Science has provided us many useful things which is television.
Okay.
At present time, television is a means of entertainment. We can see and watch. We can see daily news and we can see serial. It connects our family members and. For ladies, ladies can see serial and cooking channels, and for students see cartoons and many general knowledge question. We can improve our English. We can see daily news on it. And as we all know that present time smart TV is coming in the market, and which is we can connect our phone with the TV and we can connect pen drive in the TV with the TV, and so we can see movies, music channel and many other things in the TV. and we can watch what is going on and in our country very easily in a sitting on bed. And we can we can we can watch we can watch Discovery Channel, which is increase our knowledge.
which
That's it,
increases
sir.
our knowledge. थोड़ा सा वर्ब फॉर्म का ध्यान रखा करो बोलते समय ना, चाहे धीरे धीरे बोलो, कोई
Okay.
प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, ठीक है ना. स्लो होना आपकी स्पीड अगर स्लो है तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बट यू मस्ट बी केयरफुल रिगार्डिंग द करेक्टनेस ऑफ द सेंटेंसेस. थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखो आप, है ना. ओके ओके, वेरी गुड,
Okay,
नाइस स्पीकिंग. यस, कम ऑन नेहा.
Thank you, sir.
ओके.
Hello friends, today I want to tell about TV. TV, we all know that TV is an electronic device and it is a source of education. Commonly it is called television. It is watched in every world.
In every
And
world, every world.
in it is watched in world. It is there are many channels related to higher education and like Discovery. Discovery is a most important channel for us. It increases our knowledge. It increases our knowledge and everyone watches TV. Everyone watches TV. Everyone watches TV and there are many negative effects for watching TV regularly.
By watching TV.
By watching TV regularly, we sit long time for watching TV. It increases our diabetes and it affects on our side. It affects on our eyesight. That's it, sir.
ओके, क्या हुआ, घबरा रहे हो आज तो तुम? क्यों इतनी घबराहट हो रही? टेलीविजन पे तो बोलना, थोड़ी प्रैक्टिस रखो आप.
यस सर.
आपके लिए बहुत जरूरी है, मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको. और मुझे नहीं पता आप क्या कर रहे हो क्या नहीं कर रहे हो, पर आपको थोड़ी सी प्रैक्टिस रखनी चाहिए इसके लिए. आगे बहुत यूजफुल होने वाली है आपके लिए, नहीं तो ये तकलीफ देगी आपको अगर इसमें कहीं आपने कमी रख दी तो.
ओके सर.
हाँ, यस, कम ऑन. दृश्य.
Hello everyone, today I am going to tell you. Hello everyone, I am Drashya Agarwal. Today I am going to tell you about television. As we all know that science has given us many gifts and television is one of them. Television is a good source of entertainment. On the John Logie Baird invented television in 1926. Television programs come from all over the world. Now these days, television is watched all over the world.
Yes.
There are news programs on television. So we
शाबाश.
get
हाँ.
there are cartoons.
कार्टून्स नहीं, कार्टून प्रोग्राम्स.
There are cartoon programs so that children can watch them. There are also some knowledge programs for the children so they get knowledge. That's it, sir.
ओके, वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश है आपकी, करते रहिए. वेरी गुड. यस, पायल. Your voice is not coming.
सर ऑन रख लूं?
हाँ, माइक तो ऑन रखना ही पड़ेगा ना. यस.
नहीं, कैमरा.
हाँ, रख लो, कोई बात नहीं है. अगर आपको कोई दिक्कत नहीं है तो अच्छी
ओके
बात है.
सर. Hello everyone, I am Payal. Today telling about TV. TV is a gift of science. Today the has become very popular. Many popular channels like GTV, Colors, Discovery, Sports, educational channels,
शाबाश.
etc. We get a lot of information on Discovery Channel. We get sports information on sports channels. Television also a source of entertainment. And TV we get so much information about our locality, states, countries, and world. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड. कोशिश करते हो अच्छी, और थोड़ी सी अच्छी कोशिश करो.
Okay,
थोड़ा सा
sir.
लिसनिंग किया करो. आप
Okay,
15
sir.
दिन अगर आपने लिसनिंग कर लिया ना, तो अपने आप आपकी कैपेसिटी बोलने की अच्छी हो जाएगी. ध्यान रखें आप लोग.
Yes, sir.
वेरी गुड. ओके, कोई बात नहीं है. प्रियंका.
Yes, sir. Hello friends, myself Priyanka Sharma from B2. Today I want to tell you about television. Television is the electronic device. It is the source of entertainment. This is the source of communication. Television is so important for all of us. By it we can provide us many
We can
news.
be provided.
We can be provided us many news.
नहीं, आज की जरूरत नहीं. ये आ गया ना उधर. चलो कोई बात नहीं, बोलो आप.
There are many channels on television like Colors, Discovery, ZTV, etc. We can see movies, songs, serials on it. It is the entertainment source for women.
एंटरटेनमेंट. ठीक करो.
Entertainment source of women.
एंटरटेनमेंट. आराम से बोलो, घबराओ मत. एंटरटेनमेंट.
Entertainment.
हाँ, बोलो.
Television is a means of living the lives of older people. We enjoy it with our family. So it is so important for us. But it is harmful with many types for us. Most of the children spend our most of time on it.
Their most of time.
This is not good for our eyes. It increases our fat, but yet it is also good for us. Thank you, sir. That's it.
अच्छी कोशिश है. लिसनिंग आप सबके लिए जरूरी है. रोजाना नियम बना लो. 10
Yes, sir.
minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes. Start to listen to news programs on television. You can go to DD News, where you can get English news, and definitely you will improve yourselves. Try to listen to not more than 10 days or 15 days. करके देख लो आप. Yes, come on, Sonam.
Hello everyone, I am Sonam Meena. Hello everyone, I am Sonam Meena. I am telling about television. As you all know that science given us many things.
As you all know.
Television. जैसा कि आप
As आएगा वो बेटा. Has थोड़ी होता है. As होता है वो. As you all know.
as you all know
As
that
नहीं, as. हाँ, बोलो.
as you all know that science has given many things. Television is one of them. Television also called TV is one of the most popular device used for entertainment. television gives us knowledge along with entertainment. Television has both advantage. Television has given advantage and disadvantage.
Given नहीं has. Television has both advantages and disadvantages.
Yes,
चलो
sir.
आगे बोलो.
Television is the most important inventions in our life. Nowadays, television becomes an important part of our life. We can watch and hear the news of the world through television. Through television. On television, we watch program related to education, entertainment, agriculture, products, etc. Television is a good entertainment for children. Television is also used to teach children in school. That's it, sir.
Okay. कोशिश अच्छी करते हो. बहुत अच्छी बात है. Okay. हर्षित.
Hello everyone, my name is Harshit and I am from B8 group, Ramban group. Today I am telling you about TV. As we all know that science has invented many inventions, TV is one of them. TV is like a window through which we can get all information of entire world. TV is useful and harmful for us.
TV is both.
TV is both useful and harmful for us. Like through TV we can get higher education because there are many channels of higher education and there are many entertaining channel for children. There are many cartoon channel like Pogo, Sonic, Nick, etc. And
very good.
Discovery is also a channel through which we increase our general knowledge, and through Discovery channel we know about that how wild animal live in it and how wild animal hunt for their food. And through for सर ज्यादा देर देखने को क्या बोलते हैं?
To watch long time. You're watching long time.
To watching long time TV, it affects on our eyesight. It become our eyesight less, and there are many serials through which women can watch it.
Through which women can entertain themselves.
And there are many channels of cooking also. That's also.
Okay, कोई बात नहीं, बस कोशिश करते रहो बेटा, है ना?
Okay,
हो जाएगा. अभी तो आप तो B8 से हो ना?
Yes, sir.
तो अभी तो आप उस लेवल पे आए नहीं हो, फिर भी आपने बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की है. वेरी गुड. विनय मैडम.
Okay, sir. Good evening, everyone. Today I will tell you something about TB. TB is the biggest achievement of science. It is the window through which we can see or get knowledge all around the world. And we can see movies and entertainment programs, and we can get knowledge in it. And now we have lots of channels in TV. And in ancient time, when I was young, I was around 7 or 8 years old. That time we had only one channel, that is Doordarshan. And or it comes in a very particular times, in evening, noon, and morning. But
Yes.
now we have 24 hours and lots of channels, and in every field. You can see, if you want to see movies, you can watch. If you want to see, if you want to listen music, you can listen. And there are so many channels for childrens. There are so many channels of Discovery Channel, through which we know the we come to know about the animals and their lives. And uh, as we tell you about the ancient time, that time
एंशियंट
we
टाइम तो बहुत पुराना हो जाएगा मैडम.
my
अर्लियर
my
अर्लियर टाइम बोल दो आप.
earlier time.
हाँ, एंशियंट टाइम तो प्राचीन समय
Yes,
हो गया, बहुत पुराना. हाँ.
yes.
कोई बात नहीं. हाँ.
Earlier time, we waited. हम इंतजार करते थे.
हाँ, ठीक है. We waited, बिल्कुल सही है. हाँ.
We waited when will program come. And sometimes I some करते करते क्या कहेंगे सर, करते करते सो जाना, इंतजार करते करते.
By waiting.
Okay, by waiting I slept, and then I got up. The program was समाप्त, खत्म हो गया, ended. At that time I felt so bad. Why I am slept? If I am not slept, I watched that program.
Good, very good.
But now this time, in present, children, they are not facing this problem. They have all program. And sometime before we have this TV, this antenna and all. Now we have sticks, and sticks makes और ज्यादा इजी कर दिया है इसको.
वो डिस्क होती हैं, डिस्क्स.
नहीं, now like we have one stick, जैसे Amazon stick. We put the stick in the LCD, and all the channels come on your TV.
Yes.
LCD. And there is no foundation. You have to watch this program now. You have to watch any program anytime, whenever you have time. There is no compulsion.
Yes.
If you want to see any program again and again, you can see.
Yes.
And this is the biggest achievement of science and entertainment.
Yes.
That's it, sir.
Very good. बहुत अच्छी कोशिश है. बहुत अच्छी कोशिश है.
Yes, sir.
Very good. बहुत अच्छी बात है. बहुत अच्छी कोशिश है. Very good. Okay. Yes, Preeti.
Good evening, all of you. My name is Preeti Agrawal. Today I am telling you something about TV. TV is the most important source of entertainment.
Yes.
Now it has become necessary thing in a house. But here it was not present in all the houses.
Yes.
Only a few houses had TV. So people have to go to their neighbor's house to watch. Sir, my voice is clear?
Yes, बोलते रहो आप. अभी बीच में गायब हो गई थी, पर आप बोलते रहो. आवाज क्लियर है आपकी.
Okay, sir. So people have to go to their neighbor's house to watch the TV because they didn't have TV on their houses. So TV connected neighbors, because when they gathered to watch TV to each other's home, so they talk for a long time, and they discussed a lot for other things also after watching the TV.
Yes.
And after coming back to their houses, they again decided to watch to go to watch the TV tomorrow also. But now we all have TV on our houses.
At our houses. At our houses.
At our houses. It has become a necessary part of our house.
Our life.
our life.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Our life
It is not necessary for house, but it is necessary for us.
for us. Okay,
Yes.
sir.
Okay.
As we have many other things, so we have a requirement of TV also. TV have
Has.
TV has different types of channels for different age groups.
Yes.
Like if we want to watch, if children want to entertain themselves, so they can watch cartoon channels, and if they want to learn few things and want to gain knowledge, then they can watch educational channels on TV. And if the old persons want to watch religious programs on TV, then they have the separate channels for them, as like Sanskar and Astha.
Yes.
And if the women who cannot go outside the house to entertain themselves, they can entertain themselves by watching TV. They can not only entertain themselves, they can gain some,
but also
they can learn a few things like cooking, dancing, and so many things. And TV is the most important part. We can watch many news channels on TV and different languages. We can get live news on TV from all over the world. If we can't go outside, then we can get the knowledge of all over the world at our home only.
Very good.
And we can learn different types of languages also on TV, and we can get the knowledge of animals on TV on different channels like National Geographic and Disney. And but there are some disadvantages of TV.
Advantages, disadvantages, singular plural को थोड़ा सा माइंड में रखें सभी लोग.
Some disadvantages of TV. If you watch TV for a long period, then it becomes our habit, and we don't get the time. We forget the time that we are wasting our time. So we should not watch TV for a long period. We should watch it for a limited time. And we keep some difference. We should keep some difference if we are watching TV. So we should maintain that difference of time, so that it will not harm our eyesight. Because there are harmful rays come out from the TV, and we should watch the TV from the far. So that's it, sir.
बहुत अच्छा. कंटेंट्स बहुत अच्छे थे आपके भी, विनय के भी. थोड़ा सा फर्क पड़ता है ना, सीनियरिटी का फर्क पड़ता है, थोड़ी नॉलेज का फर्क पड़ता है. But your speaking is very nice. Very good. Okay. Yes, come on, Vansh.
Hello friends, I am telling about television. Television is a source of entertainment. Many TV channels like cartoons, news, and Discovery. TV is become source. Has become. Has become source. News, information.
Source of news.
Source of news, information and movies. That's it.
Okay, कोई बात नहीं है. बस बेटा धीरे धीरे खुल जाओगे. B8 से है ये. कोई बात नहीं, मेरे लिए इतना ही काफी है. अभी तो इन्होंने शुरू किया है, केवल 2 ही दिन का स्पीकिंग है इनका. ये अभी इतनी यहाँ पर बैठ करके बोल रहे हैं, मेरे लिए ये भी बहुत बड़ी बात है. इनको तो मैं केवल एक एनवायरनमेंट के लिए बुलाता हूँ. आई कॉल the students of B8 only for the environment, so that they can remove their agitation. Okay, वेरी गुड,
Thank you, sir.
ओके ज्योति आओ।
Hello everyone, my name is Jyoti Narwal and I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive class. Today I am here to speak about television. Science has given us many electronic instruments. Television is one of them.
वेरी गुड, हाँ
There are many programs on TV and there are many programs on TV like educational, sports, cooking, dance, news, etc. And women want to learn many new things in cooking. They can learn by the help of TV, and student want to learn want to get study material, so they can get by the help of TV. And many person want to entertain themselves, so they can themselves so they can watch entertainment programs and comedy programs and singing programs on TV. And most of the women and girls,
वुमन में कभी भी ऐसा नहीं लगता है, विमेन अपने आप में, वुमन सिंगुलर और विमेन प्लूरल होता है। थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखेंगे तो और शार्पनेस आएगी आपकी लैंग्वेज में। सभी लोग ध्यान रखें आप लोग। हाँ
okay sir, most of the women and girls here listen to song that time when they doing domestic work, and those person came to home, they watch TV for entertaining themselves, and they can get relief by the help of TV. And many person watch live cricket and sports. When we watch TV, when we watch this program on TV, they get more information.
देखियो जब उधर वी आ रहा है तो उधर भी वी आएगा।
We get more information about sports and other things, and without TV we are only the flock of
हाँ बहुत अच्छा बोला, बहुत अच्छा बोला। हाँ
because without television we can't get any information, and we have no information about the world. And those person who don't go outside, but a person watch TV, so they can get any information about the world. And there are many televisions and there are many channels on TV like Discovery. And when we watch Discovery channel, we feel like we are in nature, and we know about wild animals, that how can live in forest.
बहुत अच्छा। हाँ
and there are many spiritual channels on TV. Many spiritual person hears bhajans on TV in morning. And that's it sir.
वेरी गुड, आज तो बहुत अच्छा बोला तुमने। देख के बोल रहे थे क्या कहीं से?
नो सर,
कान में लगा रखा हो एक कोई और सुन करके बोल चल रहा हो तुम्हारा। बट आज बहुत अच्छा बोला तुमने, है ना? बहुत अच्छा बोला आज तुमने, बहुत अच्छा बोला आज तुमने, बहुत अच्छा बोला। वेरी गुड। पिछले अगर मैं कंपेयर करूं तो बहुत अच्छा बोला आज, वेरी गुड। तो भैरूजी तो नहीं आते तुमको? तो पता चल गया हो कि आज टेलीविजन पे बुलवाया जाएगा?
नो सर।
जोर से बोलो।
नो सर, वो तो हमने ना परसों के दिन ऐसे स्पीकिंग सुन रहे थे ना, वो कंप्यूटर पे सुना था पर हमने तो। अब बोलते नहीं इंग्लिश की स्पीकिंग सुनो, तो कंप्यूटर पे सुन रहे थे।
कौन से कंप्यूटर पे सुन रहे थे?
मतलब फोन पे सुन रहे थे, एक कंप्यूटर टॉपिक था ऐसा सुन रहे थे उसकी स्पीकिंग।
वेरी गुड। देखो सुनने का फर्क पड़ा कि नहीं पड़ा? मैं हमेशा वही कहता हूँ कि आप रेगुलर रखिए अपनी लिसनिंग, अगर आप वास्तव में बहुत शार्प इंग्लिश अगर बोलना चाहते हो तो। इफ यू आर सो कीन एफर्ट्स आपको चारों तरफ से करने पड़ेंगे। मैं भी तो करता हूँ, आपके कमेंट्स में आपको करेक्शन करवाता हूँ, आपके कमेंट्स लिखे हुए होते हैं तो आपको मैं हर तरह का एनवायरनमेंट देने की कोशिश करता हूँ। आप भी करिए ना कोशिश। आप आप लोग सब मिलके जितनी मेहनत करते होगे ना उतनी तो मैं अकेले कर लेता हूँ। एज मच एज यू ऑल वर्क हार्ड आई डू अलोन। कोशिश करो, मेहनत करो। यस, कम ऑन रुचिका।
Yes, sir.
You will
Hello,
be given
friends.
only one chance. Keep it in your mind. There would be no
Okay,
other
sir.
chance. ध्यान से समझ लेना।
Okay, sir.
Yes, come on.
Hello, friends. Myself Ruchika, and today I'm telling about television. As we all know that the modern age is the age of television. So there are many electronic gadgets of it, and our house has a window through which we see the outside. Like television is also the window through which we can see whole the world, and it gives us a lot of knowledge about whole the world. Like if we want to see anything on the TV, like some programs, then we can see on the TV, and there are many channels on the TV through which we can get a lot of knowledge. Like it is divided in many parts, and like for the children, so they can see cartoon programs, and they can entertain themselves. And for the younger age, for the young agers, they can see many programs regarding their education, and get a lot of knowledge.
Very good.
Like in the present time corona is going on, so schools have been off, schools are off.
Schools are off नहीं, schools are off. Off कोई वर्ब थोड़ी होती है। Schools are closed. हाँ बोलो, कोई बात नहीं।
Schools are closed, so the students are preparing, taking their classes, and if they have no phones, then they can see like on the TV programs, educational programs, and they can solve their problems also, because on the TV such programs, some programs are here that looks like that we are in the classroom, and teacher is teaching us. And if many types of things comes on the TV, like for the like if all the guests, if all the members of the house have gone from the house, so if someone is alone at the home, if he is feeling lonely, then he can see programs on the TV to avoid his loneliness. And if we are feeling if we are sir चाहते हैं, if we want to watch some if we are attractive with the religious things, then we can see it on the TV. Like if we want to visit to some religious thing, and we are unable to go there, then we can see them on the TV. On the TV. And the second thing is that there are many channels of wild animals. They attract us with them, and tells us how they live, and how they feel. And it looks when we see the TV, then we think that we are with them, and playing with them also. And on the TV, we can watch some serials, and we can learn many things, like Shilai and weeping, etc. And if we want to we can see news on the TV, and there are many news channels on the TV, and they are in different languages. So we can learn, we can see in our own language, and if we want to learn the other language, then we can see them into other language also.
like if we want to learn English, then we should watch English channels that increases our knowledge, as well as gives us many things. And there are as TV is on the wall, so it does not affect much, because sometimes it happens that like phone is nearby us, so it affects much on the TV. But my suggestion is this, that we should not watch much TV, because it is harmful for our health. And sometimes it happens that we want to listen music on the TV, and we do not care the volume of it, and it disturbs to the other, like if in the near of us someone is studying, and someone is ill, so it is harmful for him or her,
Very good.
because we think that it is our on TV, so no one can rebuke us. But it is not good for them, because it may be happen that you if he says to you and you don't care, then he may fail in his exams and he may die. So we should care of it. And the other thing is, sometimes it happens that children come from their schools, and after coming they continuously watch TV. Like they come from the school at 12 o'clock, then they watch continuously till 8 p.m. etc. So it is not it is too much harmful for them, because sometimes it happens that we don't care, and it comes in we don't know that when it comes in our habit. And by the rebuking we become angry. And if someone says to do any work, then he do not care, and after nothing happened, but one thing takes place between brother and sister, that is known as fight. So it is harmful for us. We should use it properly, in a proper way. That's all, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड, शाबाश. यस अंजलि, बहुत अच्छा बेटा. अंजलि.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. I am Anjali Meena. Today I telling about television. Science has given many things. TV is one of them. There are many use of TV, like education, entertainment, etc. We can see many types: news, movies, serial, etc. Oh, sorry. We can see many types movie, serial, or watch TV. TV a lot of information.
TV has a lot of information.
TV has a lot of information.
या gives लगा दो. TV gives us
a
lot of information.
TV is very helpful and harmful for us. There are many advantages and disadvantages TV.
Of TV.
With the help of TV, we are connect our family.
With our family.
TV is a good entertainment for children.
ये क्यों लगा रहे हो? गुड एंटरटेनमेंट, गुड टीवी इज ए गुड एंटरटेनमेंट सोर्स लगा लो, या फिर ए भी मत लगाओ. कोई बात नहीं, आगे बोलो आप, बाकी ठीक है.
Okay. Most of the children watch for many hours, so their eyes were weak.
वरनी become weak.
Most of the women learn many type things on TV.
हाँ, ऐसे बोलो आराम से धीरे धीरे. हाँ.
Like dance, singing, cooking, etc. TV play very important role in our life. That's it.
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की तुमने. वेरी गुड. आज आस्था का नाम नहीं आया अभी तक. चलो कोई बात नहीं. आस्था, नैना, कोई बात नहीं बेटा, मन हो तो डाल देना, नहीं तो कोई बात नहीं है. यस दिलखुश.
Hello, yes sir. Hello friends, my name is Dilkhush Meena. Today I am telling about television. Science has provided many gifts to us. Television is a gift of science. Television is a electronic device. It is a means of joy. There are many channels on TV like news channels, movies channels, etc. We can listen news of the world on it. It improves our knowledge. There are many educational program on TV. Now it has become the part of our life, but it is very harmful for us because there are many bad things on TV. Some children watch TV for long time, so that their eyes become weak. So we should not watch TV for long time. That's all.
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत अच्छा बोला, लेकिन थोड़ा सा कम बोला. थोड़ी सी लेंथ बढ़ाओ आप. मैं बार बार कह रहा हूँ आपको, है ना, बोलने की थोड़ी सी लेंथ बढ़ाओ आप. बाकी तो सब बढ़िया है आपका, कहीं कोई दिक्कत वाली बात नहीं है. यस सुहानी.
Hello everyone, my name is Suhani and today I tell you about television. Television is very necessary for us. In television, television has many channels for enjoyment.
Very good.
For enjoyment, movie. We watch TV anytime because TV has lots of channels.
Shabash.
Like movies, TV serials, songs, news, cartoons and etc.
News नहीं होता बेटा, news ही होता है ये.
News, etc. News is very necessary for us, and news is very necessary for us. News increase our general knowledge. And TV serials are watching by women, and they enjoy their TV serials. The movies are enjoyable for we can see movies. We can watch movies with family and enjoy with family. But TV has some harmful effects, like we watch TV long time and we are irritable and our eyes is weakened. And TV has some bad TV channels. But children watch this channel. But children not watch this channel. And cartoons children were watching. But present time corona is still on, and children spend long time on TV. It is very harmful for children. Children and TV has very important religious channels. That's it.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा बोला तुमने. शाबाश, कोशिश करते रहो बस. ऐसी कोशिश करने की तो बात है. अभी तो तुम्हारे को देने कितने हुए, अभी तो ढंग से मैं तुमको बोलना ही नहीं शुरू करवाया. फिर भी बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की आपने, है ना. सुनना आपकी गलतियां आपको पता चल जाएंगी. यस प्रिया.
Yes. Hello everyone. My name is Priya Meena, and today I am telling about the television. Present age is the age of science. Science has given us many important things, and TV is the great example of science. It is very useful in our life. It is used in every person's home. Uh, we can't live without it. It is very useful for every person. Like a woman, uh, they can watch many cooking program on TV and listen many songs and watch many serials on TV. Uh, it is also used by the man.
बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो आज तुम पिछले दिनों की कंपैरिजन में। शाबाश बेटा, ऐसी कोशिश करते रहा करो। आप बोलो।
It is also used by the men to watch movies, news, and any other programs. It is also useful for the student to get knowledge to the educational program.
By educational programs. तो कोई बात नहीं, बोल 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 बोल। हाँ।
Educational program and get knowledge about the world and about the GK. Many persons watch TV for many hours.
Many hours.
By it, their eyes can be weak and TV effect in their eyes and their eyes can weak. So it is my advice that we should watch TV, but watch for
Short
some
time. Short time.
And we should watch important program on TV. And TV is called the means of entertainment. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा बोला आज आपने। गलतियां भी कम है आपकी, आपके कंटेंट्स भी बहुत अच्छे हैं। बस ऐसी कोशिश करनी चाहिए, है ना, बिना मन के नहीं, बस मन से बोलना चाहिए। कोशिश बेटा, तुम्हारे ही काम आएगा ये सब कुछ। ओके, यस, कम ऑन कोहिनूर।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Punur, and I'm the student of Raman English Live online interactive classes from batch B.Ed. Today's our topic is television. Science has given us many useful things. Television is one of them. Television has brought almost whole world into our house.
Very good.
It is the main source of entertainment in today's life. We can listen music on TV. There are many types of cartoon channels on TV. There are many types of news channels on TV.
Shabash.
By the news channel, we can see what was happening in the world. There are many types of educational channels on TV.
शाबाश, बहुत
There
बढ़िया
are
बेटा।
many there are many types of serials for the movements comes on TV. There are many types of movies channels on TV. In today's life, TV has become a very necessary part in our life.
Very good.
There are many types of disadvantage of TV. If we watch TV more and more, our eyesight become maybe weak. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा बोला आज। ऐसी कोशिश करते रहो, काम आएगा, तुम्हारे ही काम आएगा। ओके, यस पूर्णिमा।
Hello everyone. Today's topic is television. Television is a useful gadget of modern times. A variety of programs are broadcast on television on various channels. Example,
For example,
there are channels dedicated to the transmission of news and ideas around the world. The news bulletin contains information on the latest development in politics, economy, business, technology, art, culture, and sports. Apart from news channel,
शाबाश.
there are educational programs. There are also programs in trade and agricultures. There are also entertainment channels that broadcast films and plays, as well as music, dance, and cartoon programs. Television is considered an amazing invention of science. It is called Doordarshan in Hindi because it gives the vision of distant objects. Looking at the screen on Doordarshan, it seems that the events are happening in front of the eyes, not far away. We get program on television are broadcast from its center, which has been produced from place to place by various broadcasts. Doordarshan has become an important part of our life, and today, when the era of globalization is going on, in such a situation, the role of Doordarshan is very important in our life. Today, Doordarshan is impacting our lives, and we are facing a crisis about how Doordarshan is changing our culture, conduct, and behavior. A good society is built in a country whose young generation and children's are connected to the culture of that country. Attracting toward their culture. Today, Doordarshan is doing the work of Doordarshan is doing the work of कंप्लीट नहीं हो पा रहा सर.
कोई बात नहीं, आगे ओके, कोई बात नहीं. बहुत अच्छा बोला लेकिन आपने.
थैंक यू सर.
माइंड में थॉट आ रहे थे ना आपके?
हाँ जी सर. हाँ जी सर.
बहुत अच्छा बोला आपने, वेरी गुड.
थैंक यू.
प्रैक्टिस चाहिए, कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए लैंग्वेज के लिए, ध्यान रखना. कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए प्रैक्टिस के अलावा.
हाँ जी सर.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट में इंग्लिश में
आप ये बता रहे थे लिसनिंग के लिए, फिर किस पे, मतलब सुनने के लिए किस पे सुन सकते हैं?
अभी बता दूंगा मैं. सुनने के लिए टेलीविजन पे सुन लो, बहुत सारे आप यूट्यूब पे सुन लो. सुनने के लिए तो बहुत मटेरियल पड़ा हुआ है.
ठीक है ओके.
हाँ, कोई भी आपको बहुत कुछ मिल जाएगा आपको. टेलीविजन पे आप है ना इंग्लिश की न्यूज सुन लो.
यस.
यू कैन लिसन टू द न्यूज ऑन टेलीविजन.
यस.
है ना. डीडी न्यूज का तो मुझे मालूम है. उस पे तो आता है न्यूज अकॉर्डिंग टू द टाइम, नॉट ऑलवेज.
Okay.
But the time of the English news is fixed on that channel. You can get it and you can listen to it. And if you listen to that news now on only for 10 minutes or 15 minutes, definitely you will improve your everything. Not only speaking, but also your accent, your pronunciation, your intonation, everything you can improve.
Sir, it is necessary.
Necessary है. Necessary तो क्या है? कुछ भी नहीं है. आप जली हुई रोटी बना के खिला दोगे तो वो भी पेट तो भर ही लेगा आदमी.
नहीं सर.
सर हैव टू है ये.
मैं तो ये कह रहा हूँ ना कि अगर आप जली हुई रोटी बना के खिला दोगे, कच्ची पक्की सब्जी बना के भी खिला दोगे, तो भी बेचारा आदमी तो खा ही लेगा, बच्चे खा ही लेंगे, आप भी खा लोगे।
हाँ जी सर।
पर आप क्वालिटी कितनी आपको अपने अंदर चाहिए ना, उसके अकॉर्डिंग तो मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी ना।
यस सर।
वहाँ जरूरी है, बस टाइम पास करने के लिए अपना काम चलाना है तो वहां तो कुछ भी जरूरी नहीं है, वो तो चल ही रहा है, वो तो हो ही रहा है। बट इफ यू वांट टू मूव टुवर्ड्स योर परफेक्टनेस ना, देन यू नीड ऑल द थिंग्स सो दैट यू कैन इम्प्रूव योरसेल्व्स एज मच एज यू कैन। बात इतनी सी है केवल।
यस सर। यस सर।
मैं भी अपना काम करता हूँ तो देखो आपके साथ में कितनी मेहनत करता हूँ।
यस सर।
मैं भी चाहूँ तो ना करूँ, मैं थोड़ा बहुत करके काम चला दूं अपना, क्या फर्क पड़ेगा, थोड़ा बहुत भी बोलने लग जाओगे तो आपको तो हाँ यार बोलने लग गए। लेकिन मैं मुझे और क्वालिटी अपनी मेंटेन करनी है ना, तो नेचुरली मुझे वर्क हार्ड करना पड़ेगा उसके लिए। वही वाली बात है, बस सबके लिए
जी सर।
है ना, ये वाली बात है और कोई बात नहीं है। शुरुआत है, आप करते रहो, देखो आप फिर कहाँ पहुंचते हो आप। अभी तो 3 दिन की आपकी स्पीकिंग क्लासेस हुई है, उसी में देख लो आप, पूर्णिमा को देख लो, आप अपने आप को देख लो, प्रीति को देख लो। 10 दिन के बाद तो सारा एजिटेशन खत्म हो जाएगा आपका।
सर आज तो मुझे ये लग रहा था कि मैं क्या बोलूं, मेरे से नहीं बोला जाएगा आज।
देखो कितना अच्छा बोला, सुन लेना अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग। आपको लगता होगा सर तो ऐसे ही बोल रहे होंगे, आप खुद सुन लेना अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग, बार बार सुनना आप। मैं इसीलिए रिकॉर्डिंग करके डालता हूँ यूट्यूब पे।
जी सर।
आपको खुद को लगेगा, मेरे कहने से क्या होता है, आपको खुद को महसूस होगा कि हाँ यार मेरा आज मैंने क्या किया।
यस सर।
खुद सुन लेना आप भाई। मैं तो ये इसीलिए तो डालते हैं रिकॉर्डिंग हम।
जी
मैं अगर आपको वैसे ही बोलूंगा तो आपको लगेगा सर तो ऐसे ही बोल रहे हैं, हमारी तो ऐसे ही कर देते हैं, क्योंकि इनको तो अगले महीने भी फीस चाहिए।
नहीं सर।
नहीं, मैं एक बात बता रहा हूँ, मतलब मैं आपको, मैं रिकॉर्डिंग क्यों डालता हूँ, उसमें तो आप ही हो ना।
जी सर।
उसमें तो किसी का कोई मिक्सअप कोई कुछ कर ही नहीं रहा ना।
हाँ जी सर।
यहाँ बैठ के तो मैं फिर भी बोल सकता हूँ कि यार देखो आप बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो। आप जब खुद अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग सुन रहे हो तो आप खुद रियलाइज करोगे ना इस चीज को, फिर तो मैं बोलूं या न बोलूं आपको खुद को रियलाइज होगा ना।
हाँ जी सर।
बस वो वाली चीज है। पर बहुत अच्छा बोला मेरे हिसाब से तो। यस, कमान श्री, सबसे छोटी बच्ची श्री कहाँ गई?
Yeah, sir.
हाँ बोल।
Yes, sir.
हाँ बोल।
Today I tell you about TV.
हाँ
TV is
बोल बोल बोल।
electronic device.
हाँ
We can there are many channels in TV.
हाँ।
As
तेरा पसंदीदा टॉपिक है क्या? तेरा फेवरेट टॉपिक है क्या टीवी का?
ना सर।
अच्छा बोल, देखती है नहीं देखती टीवी?
देखती हूँ ना सर।
कितनी देर? हाउ लॉन्ग?
ज्यादा नहीं सर।
सच बताना, झूठ मत बोलना। हाँ
अब तो चलता ही नहीं है सर टीवी।
क्यों?
सर वो मेरी बड़ी दादी की डेथ हो गई इसलिए।
पहले जब चलता था, जब कितना देखती थी?
पहले थोड़ी देर सर, और फिर क्लासों के बाद देखती नहीं थी।
नहीं, तू सच बता, कितनी देर? 2 घंटे, 3 घंटे, 4 घंटे? सच बताना।
नो सर।
तो
घंटे तो नहीं होते।
अच्छा, 1 घंटा नहीं होता था, 4-5 घंटे होते थे?
नहीं सर।
हाँ
ज्यादा नहीं देखती सर मैं।
अच्छा चल बोल। कल मिलेगी ना?
मिलूंगी सर।
चल ठीक है, बोल अब बोल।
There are many channels on TV as Star Star, Big Magic, News, etc. We can watch movies, comedy shows, news, etc. We can listen song and we can watch dance on TV. We increase our knowledge for TV.
By TV. हाँ.
But TV is very harmful for our eyes. I watch TV with my family in evening. TV is very
important
for all our life.
Very good. हाँ। सबसे छोटा बच्चा है मेरे पास ये। मैंने मेरी जिंदगी में इतना छोटा बच्चा कोई नहीं पढ़ाया आज तक। She is the youngest child whom I have been teaching these days. चौथी क्लास के बच्चे को मैंने कभी नहीं पढ़ाया मेरी जिंदगी में, लेकिन इसका परफॉर्मेंस बहुत शानदार है, बहुत शानदार परफॉर्मेंस है इसका। वेरी गुड। और हो गया बेटा? सुबह मिलेंगे बेटा, कुछ लेके आना, चॉकलेट लाएगी, टॉफी लाएगी मेरे लिए? अब तू लेके आती है, वो तो तेरे भाई बहन खा जाते हैं। अब तू मत लेके आना, मैं ही लेके आऊंगा तेरे लिए। तू मत लेके आना, मैं ही लेके आऊंगा तेरे लिए। हैं? छुपा के लाएगी? अरे वो खा जाएंगे, फिर भी खा जाएंगे बेटा, कोई बात नहीं, मैं लाऊंगा, है ना? अच्छा ठीक है, मोना आ जा। ओके बेटा, मोना आ जा।
Good morning, everyone. I am Mona Meena. I telling about television.
हाँ
Television is a gift of science.
हाँ
TV is both useful in student life.
हाँ
TV is one of them.
बोल बोल बोल।
We watch TV.
हाँ
We watch TV in serials, news,
हाँ
songs, etc.
हाँ
We watch we watch TV for entertainment.
एंटरटेनमेंट।
It is
हाँ
it is necessary for us. TV is electronic device.
हम्म
We watch any serials in TV. But I do not watch TV. That's it.
ओके, बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की बेटा तूने, शाबाश। और कोई रह गया? हो गया सबका? चलिए, थैंक यू वेरी मच।